Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into natural remedies and tips to help you manage and stop diarrhea quickly and effectively. Diarrhea can be a disruptive and uncomfortable condition, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can address it naturally and safely. In this video, we'll explore various causes of diarrhea, key symptoms to watch for, and when it's crucial to seek medical help. We'll also discuss some effective herbal solutions that can soothe your digestive system and help stop diarrhea fast. From agrimony to sage, we'll cover how these herbs work and how to prepare them. Additionally, we'll touch on the importance of hydration, foods that can firm up stools, and practical tips for managing symptoms. Remember, always consult with a healthcare provider if symptoms persist or worsen. So, let's get started on this journey to better digestive health. Whether you're dealing with a mild case of diarrhea or looking for preventive measures, this video has got you covered. Stick around to learn more about natural remedies and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for a healthier gut. Diarrhea can be caused by a variety of factors, and understanding these can help you prevent and manage it more effectively. One of the most common causes is diet. Consuming foods that are high in fat, sugar, or artificial sweeteners can irritate the digestive system and lead to diarrhea. Additionally, food intolerances, such as lactose intolerance, can also trigger this condition. Infections are another major cause. Bacterial, viral, and parasitic infections can all result in diarrhea. For instance, food poisoning caused by bacteria like Salmonella or E. coli often leads to severe diarrhea. Viral infections such as norovirus or rotavirus are also common culprits, especially in children. Stress and anxiety can also play a significant role. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can speed up the digestive process, leading to diarrhea. This is often referred to as nervous stomach and can be particularly problematic during stressful events or periods of high anxiety. Understanding these causes can help you take preventive measures, such as adjusting your diet, practicing good hygiene, and managing stress levels. By being aware of what triggers your symptoms, you can take steps to avoid them and maintain better digestive health. When dealing with diarrhea, it's important to recognize the symptoms and understand when to seek medical help. Common symptoms include frequent, loose, and watery stools, abdominal cramps, and bloating. You might also experience nausea, vomiting, and a general feeling of discomfort. However, there are certain symptoms that should prompt you to seek medical attention immediately. These include severe abdominal pain, high fever, blood or pus in the stools, and signs of dehydration such as excessive thirst, dry mouth, and dizziness. If diarrhea persists for more than 2 days in adults or 24 hours in children, it's time to consult a healthcare provider. Chronic diarrhea, which lasts for more than 4 weeks, is another red flag. It can indicate underlying conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, or even celiac disease. In such cases, a thorough medical evaluation is necessary to identify the root cause and appropriate treatment. Recognizing these symptoms and knowing when to seek help can make a significant difference in your recovery. Always err on the side of caution and consult a healthcare provider if you're unsure about the severity of your symptoms. Early intervention can prevent complications and ensure a quicker recovery. Let's dive into some natural herbal remedies to soothe and stop diarrhea. Agrimony is effective due to its astringent properties, which tighten tissues and reduce inflammation. Boil a teaspoon of dried agrimony in a cup of water for 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Sage has antimicrobial properties that combat infections causing diarrhea. Steep a teaspoon of dried sage leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day. Bale or wood apple is highly effective, especially the unripe fruit. Mix bale fruit pulp with water and a pinch of salt. Drink twice a day. Bistort and black catechu have strong astringent properties. Boil bistort root for a decoction, or mix black catechu powder with water. Use these remedies for no more than 3 days. If symptoms persist, consult a healthcare provider. Natural remedies are effective, but not a substitute for professional medical advice. Hydration is crucial when dealing with diarrhea. The body loses a significant amount of fluids and electrolytes, which can lead to dehydration. Drinking plenty of water is essential, but it's also important to replenish lost electrolytes. Oral rehydration solutions, or ORS, are a great way to do this. You can make your own ORS at home by mixing a teaspoon of salt and 6 teaspoons of sugar in a liter of water. Coconut water is another excellent option. It's rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, making it a natural rehydration solution. Drinking coconut water can help restore the electrolyte balance in your body and keep you hydrated. Herbal teas, such as chamomile or peppermint, can also be beneficial. They not only help with hydration, but also soothe the digestive system. Avoid caffeinated beverages, as they can worsen dehydration. Another tip is to consume clear broths. Vegetable broth can provide both fluids and electrolytes, helping you stay hydrated while also giving your digestive system a break from solid foods. Remember, the key is to drink small amounts frequently, rather than large amounts at once. This helps your body absorb the fluids more effectively and prevents further irritation of the digestive tract. Staying hydrated and maintaining electrolyte balance is vital for a quick recovery. Keep these tips in mind and make hydration a priority when dealing with diarrhea. When it comes to firming up stools and promoting gut health, certain foods can be particularly helpful. The brat diet, bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast, is a well-known remedy for diarrhea. These foods are bland, low in fiber, and easy to digest, making them ideal for soothing the digestive system. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps replenish electrolytes lost during diarrhea. They also contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps absorb excess water in the intestines, firming up stools. Rice, especially white rice, is another great option. It's easy to digest and helps add bulk to the stools. Plain rice can be boiled and eaten with a little salt to help manage diarrhea. Applesauce is not only easy to digest but also contains pectin, similar to bananas. It can help bulk up stools and provide a gentle source of energy. Make sure to choose unsweetened applesauce to avoid added sugars that can irritate the digestive system. Toast, particularly white bread toast, is another bland food that can help. It provides carbohydrates for energy without being too harsh on the stomach. Avoid adding butter or other spreads that can be high in fat. These foods can help firm up stools and provide some relief from diarrhea. Incorporate them into your diet gradually and listen to your body's response. While some foods can help manage diarrhea, others can make it worse. It's important to know which foods and drinks to avoid during this time. Dairy products, for instance, can be problematic. Many people develop temporary lactose intolerance during diarrhea, making dairy difficult to digest. Fatty and fried foods should also be avoided. They can be hard on the digestive system and exacerbate symptoms. Stick to low-fat, bland foods until your digestive system has had a chance to recover. Caffeine is another culprit. It can stimulate the digestive tract and worsen diarrhea. Avoid coffee, tea, and caffeinated sodas until you're feeling better. Sugary foods and drinks, including fruit juices and sodas, can also irritate the digestive system. They can draw water into the intestines, making diarrhea worse. Opt for water, herbal teas, or clear broths instead. Alcohol is another no-go. It can irritate the stomach lining and dehydrate you, worsening diarrhea symptoms. It's best to avoid alcohol entirely until you're fully recovered. Spicy foods can also be a trigger. They can irritate the digestive tract and should be avoided. Stick to bland, mild foods to give your system a break. By avoiding these foods and drinks, you can help your digestive system recover more quickly and reduce the severity of your symptoms. Managing diarrhea involves dietary changes, hydration, and rest. Rest is crucial. Your body needs energy to recover, so get plenty of sleep and avoid strenuous activities. Stay hydrated, drink small amounts of water frequently. Consider oral rehydration solutions or coconut water to replenish electrolytes. Avoid large meals, opt for small, frequent meals instead. Eat bland, easy-to-digest foods like those in the brat diet. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Over-the-counter medications like loperamide can provide temporary relief, but use them cautiously. Natural remedies like herbal teas can also be soothing. If symptoms persist or worsen, consult a healthcare provider. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Managing diarrhea can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can address it effectively and naturally. Remember to stay hydrated, eat the right foods, and avoid those that can worsen your symptoms. Incorporate natural remedies like herbal teas and decoctions, but always consult with a healthcare provider if symptoms persist or worsen. Your health is important, and taking proactive steps can make a significant difference in your recovery. Stay healthy and take care. We're here to support you on your journey to better digestive health. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and information on natural remedies and overall wellness. See you in the next video.